So we're taking our first bus today from Split to Mostar. Booked it through Flixbus, but it's operated by Glob Tour. See how we go. Okay, so we hopped off the bus. We walked about 900 metres to a shopping mall to have a bit of a rest and get a cold drink. And now we've got about 800 metres to walk to our apartment. Reasonably warm out here, a nice breeze blowing. There's a river that separates the two sides of the town. So beautiful. Right, gotta keep walking, it's hot. Okay, the quick arrival tour of the apartment before we mess it up. Number 64. Keypad there on the left with the key in. Bathroom. Shower's quite nice. This is Aaron's room. Kitchen. Oh, dining table. Little kitchen. Good sized dining table. Sarah's room. Yes, we've got 2 bedrooms. Fancy. And the icing on the cake. Complimentary beer. Already cold. Woohoo! And a TV up there. So not a lot of room to sit because you've got the 2 bedrooms instead. But you can sit at the dining table. So I guess we'll be doing that. No sofa. We're only here for 3 nights? Yeah, 3 nights. Right, that's the apartment in Mostar. Cheers! Just starting out on one of our early morning walking tours. Not quite so early this morning, it's about 7:30. So we're in Mostar today. And we're heading down towards the old town. First thing you notice in Mostar is the mosques and the minarets. So about 51% of the population are Muslims in Bosnia Herzegovina. The other name for the old bridge is the Stari Most. So if you look at that building up there, the one with inner OP written on it. There's still signs around here of the war that was from 1992 to 1995. This area is starting to be repaved, which is looking really nice through the main town here. We've come to another mosque, another beautiful minaret. And then in the distance there you can see another one. Very distinctive shapes and pretty looking buildings. I think this is the area they call a name I can't pronounce. I'll put it on the screen. It's a bazaar. I think it was maybe just starting to open up back there. But we're here on a Sunday, so maybe it's a bit quieter. Very pretty area this. Probably the touristy area. The bridge is up here somewhere. Oh, here it comes.
Watch us out if you're not in the sun. Like if you're gonna lay down.
Here's a tip for you if you're coming to Mostar. Stay overnight. That way you get to see the place without all the crowds. There's a lot of people come here day tripping from Dubrovnik. It's also early in the morning, as you can see. There's hardly anyone here. A lot of these places are not open because it's Sunday, I think, but we'll pop back tomorrow and have a look at those. It's certainly beautiful around here. Look at the stones on the walkway. Here's the famous bridge. I thought I read that kids jump off this bridge into the river. It's a bloody long way down. Bit of morning step class. More signs of bullet holes all over that building. So we've come down to the next road bridge so that we can look back up towards the main centre of Mostar. Can't quite see the old bridge yet. It looks like they're constructing a massive mosque over here. Perhaps with multiple minaret towers, not sure. Or just columns for the roof. Old burnt out bombed building over there. And if we go past the sun, another one there. And then a beautiful building here that I can't pronounce probably. There's certainly a contrast of the old and the new. Spanish War Memorial, I think. Alright, so apparently Sarah had told me all this, but typical husband, I wasn't listening. That was the Spanish Square. It's called the Spanish Square Skate Plaza, but there's no sign of skating. And this is a Mostar secondary school. Pretty amazing colours and building for a school. It's beautiful. So we've come to this old sniper tower to find a geocache. It's got some beautiful murals here. I'm also going to have to look up the significance of 1981. Presumably also something to do with an earlier war. I seem to see 1981 and 1922 written on a lot of buildings. 1922 I think was when they were considering the split of Bosnia and Herzegovina. I thought I'd go for a walk this morning, see if I could get a bit of a view back over the city. I still haven't left the streets yet. It's supposed to be a track up here. Boy, is it steep. Given the potential for unexploded landmines and that I haven't hit a road, I think this might be far enough. Just beyond the city there on some dirt tracks, but I thought there was going to be a road, or at least a wide gravel track. Sun's not up yet. I was going to go up there, or part way up there, but I can't find the road. So I think to be safe, I'll go back down. I thought we might come down and go for a swim, but yeah, doesn't look that great. Pretty weedy down there, slippery. And I'm too old to jump off here these days. Might not come back up. And I'm not going down that ladder over there. Probably temperature of that's probably 100 degrees. 36 out here at the moment. And there's people down there. I think I'll pass. Sure is pretty down here though. We came down from just up there, that gap there.